let's find the trail.
Can't find the trail. Nobody knows where the trail is. But we do know there is a trail because Steven saw it on the internet, and the internet never lies, you know?
Where's the dang trail? Is there even a trail here?
There's a trail here.
Wait, there's really a trail? Trail marker. Hey, I wonder if that rope leading up to that marker means we go this way. Yeah? But what's down there? Because there's another. Okay. Backpack? Anybody? Ow. That's kind of cool. Mangroves are kind of cool in general. Up the hill. Are you sure this leads to a beach? This feels like we're climbing a mountain. Those are pretty. Even prettier when you left. Oh, great. God, I'm out of shape. Go, Martha. Don't touch the tree that is in the trail. What did you say?
I said you're short, you can walk under most of them. Me, I got to bend over.
Don't touch the trees.
Hard to carry.
There it is. Where did they go? Y'all still have those Sharpies in your bag? The Sharpies in your bag? Y'all sure about this? Steven, I'm pretty sure this is taking us to the top of some hill. Yeah. Did you go swimming?
No. Thinking it off the beach.
Oh. I didn't go swimming either, but Steven drenched me bringing the dinghy back to the boats. Really drenched me. Like drowned rat kind of thing.